Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. My name is Nidhi Namrata and I am going to be your EVS teacher. Today in this video we are going to read chapter number 14, that is Safety and First Aid. So are you all excited? Let us get started. Safety and First Aid. The first thing which we will know in this chapter is about accidents. Accidents are the event that happens unexpectedly and harms people. Accidents are caused sometimes due to our own carelessness and sometimes due to that of others. Accidents may happen anytime and anywhere without even giving us any warning. We often get hurt at home, in school, playground or road. Most of these accidents occur due to our carelessness. We can avoid most of the accidents by following the safety rules. Today we will discuss some of the safety rules. Safety at home. Slipping on floor. A wet floor is dangerous and harm you. You can slip or fall on wet floor very easily. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. Keep the floor dry. Floors of kitchen and bathroom should not be slippery. Never leave your toys on floor or stairs because you can slip on them. Never try to reach something which is beyond your reach. Fire in the kitchen. It can cause serious injuries. Accidents due to the fire in the kitchen can cause very serious injuries to us. To avoid these accidents, follow these safety rules. In case of gas leakage, open the doors and the windows to let the gas out. Never try to pick anything directly from the burning gas stove. Never ever wear a synthetic cloth in the kitchen because they catch fire very easily. Electric shocks. Electrical appliances are very useful to us, but they can be dangerous when handled carelessly. To avoid electrical shocks, follow these safety rules. Never touch an electrical gadget or switch with wet hands or barefooted. Do not go too close to heaters or table fans when they are on. Never touch a damaged wire. When someone gets an electric shock, turn off the main switch immediately. Poisoning. Poisoning is also a common kind of accident at home. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. Never eat any medicine unless your parents or a doctor gives it to you. Do not eat spoiled or exposed food. It can cause food poisoning and all the poisonous chemicals at your home should be kept away from the reach of children. Safety on the playground. We must be very careful while playing. Follow these safety rules at playground. Do not push or hit each other while playing, or do not play any rough game. Safety at the school. In school, accident happens when children are in a hurry. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. Do not push or run, especially on stairs. Do not run or climb on desk. Do not throw around things in the class. Safety on the road. Most accidents on the road are the result of carelessness during driving or carelessness of the pedestrians. We should follow these safety rules on road. Always walk on the footpath. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. When there is no zebra crossing, look first to your right, then to your left, and then again to your right. When no vehicle is coming, then cross the road. Never cross the road behind a parked vehicle and always follow the traffic light. First aid. The immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor's arrival is called first aid. First aid plays an important part in our everyday life at home, work or play. Everyone should learn about first aid. Different type of injuries need different type of first aid. Some of the first aid tips I will give you here for cuts and wounds. Wash your hands thoroughly before giving first aid to the injured person. For deeper cut, remove all the dirt from the wound and clean the skin around it with small pads of cotton soaked in an antiseptic lotion like Dettol. Then tie the bandage. Just put a band-aid for minor cuts. For burns, minor burns, keep the burnt area under cold running water. Put an ice pack on the burnt area for some times and apply an antiseptic cream like Bernol in the burnt part. For insect bite, to treat insect bite, put a paste of baking soda and cold cream on the affected area. Place ice cubes over affected area. For a fainted person, when a person has fainted, make him or her lie with his head lower than the body. Allow fresh air around the person. It gives blood to the brain. For nose bleeding, in case of nose bleeding, pinch the nose and hold it till the nose stops bleeding. Put a cold, hot towel on the face and at the back of the neck. It will also help in stop bleeding. First aid box. We all must have a first aid box in our homes and schools. It should contain an antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savolone, cotton pads, scissors, band-aids, crepe bandage, antiseptic cream, methyl spirit and sticky tape. Thank you and take care, students.